Hi everybody, my name is Holly Devereaux and I'm an IT project manager for the Community Colleges of Spokane. And today I'm going to be helping you with making sure that your OneDrive is syncing correctly between your computer and your web storage. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to find the Windows search bar. In there, go ahead and type in OneDrive and open the OneDrive app on your computer. If you have never set up your OneDrive before, you should see a box similar to this. You're going to enter your school email address. And then click the blue sign in button. Before you get this pop-up, you might be prompted for another sign-in where you put in your email address and your password for your computer. That's totally fine. That is how some of the accounts are set up. Go ahead and do that, and then you should see a pop-up similar to this one that talks about your OneDrive folder. It's also telling you where it can be found at in your local file explorer. And it says a OneDrive folder already exists on this PC because I've set mine up before. I'm not going to choose to use a new folder. I'm actually going to use this folder. It gives a few short, quick tips on getting to know your OneDrive. Sharing file folders, all of your files and how they're ready to go. Remember that your OneDrive does not have to be accessed through VPN access, nor do you have to be on a device on the school's network. You can actually be accessing from the internet at home. There is also a mobile app available if you choose to install it on your phone. They have it for both Android and iOS. Now you should get a pop-up that says your OneDrive is ready for you. Open my OneDrive Community Colleges folder, click on that blue button. Now what it's going to do is it's going to open your OneDrive. In your OneDrive folder, you will be able to tell which folders are syncing back and forth to your cloud storage. If you see a tiny cloud like this, it means that it's actually in your cloud storage. Other ones might have a green check mark, meaning that they're in all three. So whatever way you prefer to set up your OneDrive is up to you. To make sure that things are syncing back and forth, you can always click on the blue cloud icon at the bottom and look to see that all of your folders are syncing. If you don't see that folders are syncing correctly, click on the View Online button. This is going to take you directly out to your OneDrive web cloud storage. And you will see all of your folders here if they are syncing correctly, the same folders that would be available in your file explorer under your OneDrive Community Colleges of Spokane. If this is not syncing properly, go ahead to the top, find the tab that says Sync, and click on it. This will say Getting Ready to Sync. If you have an older version of OneDrive, it may ask you to update to the newest version. It's going to do a OneDrive setup, and then it'll give you the directions for that. I already have the newest version of OneDrive on my computer, so I'm going to skip that step, but if you do not, go ahead and set that up. You can always test this by syncing files back and forth, by grabbing files off of your desktop, dragging them into your OneDrive Community Colleges of Spokane, or going out to your little cloud icon right here, opening online, dragging the files and folders into your web storage, and then checking that they're actually in your OneDrive Community Colleges of Spokane. You can also do this with your personal machines at home to make sure that you have access to all of your documents and files anywhere that you go. That's it for OneDrive Sync today. Thank you all and have a great day.